Howdy folks, Mark Serbu, designer nut. This is actually the second last video of the year. I already got the first one demonetized, so I'm just going to try something. I'm not even going to use the word today, or in this video. I'm not even going to use the word, and I'm not going to show any. So hopefully this won't get demonetized. Oh, and look who's here. Right there, I'm squishing it. I don't know how to do it. Okay, there we go. I'm back. I'm walking backwards because I've got the back facing. What do you want? Yeah, go ahead. We're on.
Account number is.
Oh, let's get this on live video.
Exactly.
Okay, I gotta pause for a second. Okay, I just want to see how aggressive YouTube is about their demonetizing my videos. I don't know if it's related to or, you know, if I go, oh, I can't do that, then they'll. So, I want to see if I can just machine some stuff. I'm just gonna machine. What are we gonna call this thing? I don't know. Let's call these harmless cylinders with very accurate holes that have an odd spin to them. Let's play with that. Let me switch over to the front camera. Here we go. So shove that in there. Ah, oh no! You've got to adjust the chuck size because it doesn't clamp it. So I'm gonna fix that and come back. Alright, just so you're not completely left out, what I gotta do is move these jaws out. And if you've never seen these, they've got lots of little tiny teeth in there. And you just loosen these two screws, socket head cap screws, and then you just move these in or out. And of course, all three of the jaws have to be moved out to the same exact amount, or else the thing won't run true. So all I'm gonna do is loosen these three jaws, move them in a notch or two, and then reclamp it, and I'll be right back. Alright, so we'll try this again. And I'm not sure how far this is supposed to stick out. I guess I could read the program. 15 inches of barrel. Yes, this isn't high tech. We don't use a tape measure. We just to get an idea, because there's actually a stop on there. So, yeah, it's gonna work. I just know it. Here we go. I'm gonna slow down the rapid speed a little bit. Yeah, because I don't want it to go and crash into it. There we go. Alright, so that's the actual stop. So what I do is just push this pedal down here. That makes the jaws unclamp. Move the barrel, move the round thingy with accurate hole with spiral flute thingies inside of it. And now we push the go button. See, it says rough OD turning. Outside diameter for those of you who have no idea. And I'm going to go ahead and speed up the rapid now. Oh, and here comes the center. Tailstock. Oh, I think it's got to go too far. Yep, I got to reprogram that thing. So yeah, I'll stop again. See? Oh, tailstock found no part. Imagine that. All right, here we go again. Stop. Blah blah blah. Oh yeah, here we go. It's scary, right? It's like, why are you going in the middle of the barrel? It just doesn't make sense. I'm being kind of careful. I'm starting and stopping this because it's the first time I've run this in a long time. And of course you can't see squat because that's cooling all over the window. But trust me, big stuff's happening in there. Big stuff. Well, and this is kind of pointless. We'll come look at it in a few. Alright, look, I cleaned the window. So maybe we'll be able to see something at least until all the coolant splashes all over the place. Coolant's disgusting, by the way, in case you couldn't tell. Alright, here we go. see what we can see. And we'll go fast too, damn it. Scary, scary. That's not too bad. It's having a hard time focusing now because the window is getting dirty. There it goes. It's fairly pointless now, but we'll wait to the end. Almost there. Oh. Here we go. Ugh. Got a little bit of a bump. We gotta change the tool offset. We'll get rid of that, but looks pretty damn good. Shiny metal. That's why I do this. Said that before. Say it again. Shiny metal is why I do this. I said it before, and I'll say it again. Okay, just got this one finished. So here's before and here's after. And these are all 29 inch. These are 22. These are 18. And these are the only ones, these 22s, there are only about 6 of them here. They need this operation to get them down to this stage where everyone else already is. And after that, there's one more step, which is to put the chamber end threads on them. And we'll be doing that on all of them next. But first got to knock out these few and we'll get to it.